When I choose a group of fertilizers who some of them non-living things.
Kali. A one, a two, a three, we go. One, two, three, let's go. Together, my soul. Basaba na manyamo. Beba na kujam session ni. Beba na kunyumira every single Tuesday. Top 10 comedians. Top 10 comedians. Era katonga no kwanza sponsors ba provide Skype page tours and travel. But senda muzimba mwebali. Bali kumera ngate ekintu mukiwagira ngero nako rwalero. Atwagala okubandulira abagenda costinga show nako rwalero. Tugenda okimugenda kuba kayimba. Bajje. Tugenda baniriza. Bali muyimoke mwenna bannange tubanirize. Bajje. Bantu bamanyi nnyo. Bakitibwa ase balindiridde tuwereddwa omukisa okubantu mugenda kuyimuka mukube abagoma engoma yona gye musanze enyuma bajje
Kale. Ladies and gentlemen, ngendo mu microphone. Then nangu nazima tena microphone. Nja kusaba nyo na sauti mukoko banange. Saatu yimukoko banange fenna bitwa bya fetibirire. Bafude Nigeria. Yeah. Era bagenda okustinga show nako lwaliro. Songera okwanyiza omukulu wa Moti omubalanguzi. The king of comedy atuse mutizimbe mwali. Ante biraga musession every single Tuesday. Skype tours and travels mutade mu center. Okay. Tugenda kwanyiriza ba host baffe. Nembadde nsaba nange tukola mputu. Tukola mputu tubanyirize. Tuswala muzida bavudde wala okujja. Okay. Batwale microphone wali. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right about now to kickstart of the show. Katwanyirize ate abagenda okustinga show yaffe olunaku olwaleero era nga nja kusatula kubiri engalo ez'amaanyi tutandike mu butongole. Kuba atekayo. Tutandike olwo.
This our new talent here, and right about now, let's welcome this young talent on the stage. Oh my God! Where are you? Oh my God! She's still young. Oh my God! Wow! I can't say it to her mom. Oh my God! Welcome on the stage. This is American Got Talent here, please. Can you clap for him? Oh my God! We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you so much. Wow, it's too young, too young. Okay. Oh, hi. What's your name? Oh my God, I'm kind of nervous. No, come on. Don't be nervous, please talk. This is America. Okay, what's your name?
Okay, my name is. Oh my God.
Come on, talk. Go.
My name is Angelica Hill.
Oh.
Guys, I'm 6 years old.
Oh my God, clap for him. Oh, 6 years old. Just 6 years old.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yes.
Okay, where do you come from?
I come from the United States of America, the side of California, and the west part of Florida.
Oh, wow, that's great. Oh, you came alone?
I not come alone.
Yes.
I came with my uncle, Amoti.
Oh, yeah, uncle.
I come with my uncle. Yeah, but that side bring in.
Uncle. Uncle Mot. We are going to go you. You come with who?
My uncle Mot.
Oh, wow, careful, uncle. We love that uncle. Oh.
Uncle, I don't get that. You get the uncle, but just take it more now.
Actually, I was happy to find the place in the bar. My son is going to do something for us. What's the time to send that? Do you want to send that Academia?
That's your uncle?
Bazungu.
Oh my God, that's your uncle?
That's my uncle.
So what have you come to do?
I've come to sing.
You have come to sing?
Yes.
At 6 years old.
Yeah.
You come to sing.
And my uncle has been writing my song.
Okay, can you start singing right now?
Okay.
The stage is yours.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, sing. Are you okay? Okay.
She's just a girl when she's on fire.
Woo! Oh my God.
Like a fantasy, all like a night way.
Wow.
This girl is on fire.
I'm going to begin our guru. America.
Yangu amelese kitoni.
Banange tetuwagaliza. Uganda. Yangu amelese kitoni.
Tebagaliza. Mwanjiro mwana jali kitoni.
Abakora show ya tali twalaga ntwayamba buyambi. Abona kubayo tuli wano kubanga tuli mu yolese kitone era nga tuyamba abalina talent tulivumbule talent z'abaana kubanga gwe mulimo gwaffe. Wait nawo katuyitono mwana muwala ajja yolese kitone mukubeko obugalo nga mwana muwala ajja mwana muwala jangu. Wow, obugabambi. Aha. Mwana muwala. Wow. Oliotia. What's your name?
I'm not going to put a guy that will be started, print faster, and master with the game to have a talent and never equal. Yeah.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old. Nakam Sam.
Babusala Makachi.
From my dance, I'm Mogum.
Hey, what do you work last year?
Name senior frame, graduation 5.
Okay, nienda kuza kabuzoka senior tukubanga ni senior 3.
Yeah.
Who are the choice?
When I chose a group of fertilizers who some of them now living things, they are night dancers, they're moving all over the place, they wear animal prints. Then I chose they could externalize into the astronomy of the biology. Then I chose they were also prostitutes like in Arendania. Those they were chose in conclusion in not more than 105. Amaliriza. Teriamufuwa teriamulaba olwansonga abaana bawano. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tugenda kuba tisakadde mu saa zino zennyini tugenda kubanga leeta perform agenda okubanga addako naye nga twongera okubagamba nti muzibe wali mu nnyumba Amoto Mbalanguzi wali king of comedy.
Yes,
Bobby Brown niro ne artist bangi nyo bachajja cause it is a jam session era ngenda kubeerangawo obanga ezeebeerawo every single Tuesday sky towards
and travel.
Right
about now, reach down to it.
Yes.
Right about now, let me introduce Mubiru Patrick on the stage right now.
Mubiru Patrick, they are good to showcase your talent. Yes.